So today we're going to do a walk around of our 2017 Jeep JK. Just going to show you all the parts that we have on it up to date. Alright, so we'll start up front. This is the Rough Country stubby front bumper with the Stinger option. This bumper I don't believe is offered anymore. It was discontinued. These are the fender flares that we got. This is just an Amazon purchase. These did come powder coated black. The hood latch we have, another Amazon purchase. I will leave the links for all of these in the description, so if you are interested in them, you can click on the link. On the front we do have the factory LED fog lights, factory LED headlamps. We do have aftermarket smoked lens LED turn signal lights. On the hood we have just your standard high lift jack. On the side of the Jeep we do have some vinyl graphics. I did do that myself. It is Vivid Vinyl. If you want to know any of these colors for the powder coating or for the vinyl, just leave us a comment. I'll let you know the colors if it's something that you're interested in. On the door handles we do have X-Sprite door handle inserts. We did also strip those down and powder coat them to match our theme. This is a shot of the front inner fenders, same as the back, in the raw aluminum. These are really nice because they allow for optimal clearance for your tire stuff. We have the Oracle lighting rock lights. These are RGB LED. For tires, we do have 37 by 13.5, 17-inch wheel, Nitto ridge crapplers. This is the first time running those. They are fairly new. I'm really liking them so far. Super quiet on the road, smooth. They balance well. On the back we do have the X-Sprite LED taillights. We'll have them in the link as well. So if you want to see what the taillights look like, we do have a video on the taillights. You can see all their function and how they look. Check out that video. So for the soft top we do have the Bestop Trek top. I believe it's the Glide with the slant back. Spare tire is the tires we just previously had on the Jeep. They were 38-inch by 13.5 Milestar Patagonia MTs. The tire actually lasted a long time. I think we got about 60,000 miles out of them. And that's how they look. Switching over, this was the best tire left that I kept for the spare. Thing with these tires is they wear pretty uneven, like most mud terrains. But it was all in all a decent tire. The spare wheel is the same as the other wheels, but this is one that I did get to strip down, powder coat the same color to match the bumpers and the fender flares. Since we're in the back, kind of hard to see. Do have the Fox shocks that we got through Metal Cloak for their 4.5-inch lift. The springs front and rear are 4.5-inch lift dual rate coils. We just put on the rear track bar. It is adjustable. It is Metal Cloak. It's hard to see back there, but we have Metal Cloak bump stop extension blocks that mount on the bottom. Those you can adjust and just keep adding to get it to the right height for your bump stop and your tire combination. Originally we had a Rough Country 4-inch X-Flex lift. It wore out pretty quick, that's why we're changing everything over to Metal Cloak, but this is still an original piece, the track bar extension bracket that raises the track bar up to the proper height. Another Amazon purchase. This is a Tiger 2-inch receiver for the Jeep. Does mount in the original stock place, bolts right up, and it comes with a wiring harness that goes up to your tail light, so you do have lights for a trailer, all in the same kit. Almost missed this, but this is a Smittybilt spare tire carrier. This goes in place of your factory hinges for the tailgate, and it's a whole new exo frame like for the spare tire. It's heavy duty steel. It hasn't sagged on us, and we have had the 38-inch Milestar mounted to it, and it fits just fine, as you can see. Starting in the front underneath, we have the Yeti tie rod by Steer Smart. Super happy with that. It's beefy, it's worked great, it's been on there for a while. Moving over, we have the Rock Sport Metal Cloak steering stabilizer and their bracket to mount on the tie rod. Moving across, we have the front Metal Cloak track bar that's adjustable and the gray Synergy drag link. Do have the flip kit on the drag link over on the passenger side to get the alignment for the track bar and the drag link, and also added the Steer Smart track bar relocation bracket to raise the track bar mount up. By making all these adjustments, you can see both the track bar and drag link are almost perfectly in line with each other and as horizontal as possible. Have all Metal Cloak control arms, front and rear. Also the Metal Cloak drop brackets for the control arms. By having the drop bracket for the front control arms, you can see it lowers that angle that the short arms have. This creates a much better ride, takes the bumps way better, stopping's better, it doesn't dive. Highly recommend. So it's hard to tell, but the rear does not have the drop bracket yet. That is something I'm going to add. But you can definitely see the control arms have a steep angle downward to the axle. This would also correct, like it did on the front, moving both of these control arms downward. Moving to the inside. Not much in here. We do have the 6-speed manual. Moving across, we have the 67 design mount. This thing's awesome. Highly recommend this. Holds the phone good. You can get dual mounts. Up we do have X-Brite grab bars, which we also powder coated to match. Have the grab bars front and rear. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I think I remembered everything to show in the video. So much more to come. Axles, gearing, eventually bigger tires. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel. We'll keep trying to make better and better content for you.